everyone, welcome to the today's session. So today's session is basically on Flutter versus React Native, and it is being organized by UD Ludhiana. And I would like to very thankful to Jipin Basar for inviting me out this for this session. All right, so which is better for you in 2023? Flutter versus React Native, which is better for you in 2020? Flutter versus React Native. Both are open source UI SDKs, and these both are used to create cross-platform. So, what are cross-platform applications? Cross-platform applications are those that allows you to create writing one code for every platform. For example, if I write code that could execute on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS devices, right? So how cool is it, right? Like that. So this is the problem. Like you have to write native code. What is native code? Is that, for example, if I am creating Android application, right? I'm creating Android application for that I need to learn Java or Kotlin, right? For the Java, Kotlin, and for if I am creating iOS application, I need Swift. So there I have to learn two languages for Java or Kotlin, या फिर Swift for iOS development. So this problem is being solved by Flutter and React Native as they are cross-platform SDK. So cross-platform, I hope you understand what does that mean. And if, for example, if I'm writing one code that can execute on every platform, web, Linux, yeah. All right, which is better? Question: which is better? So Flutter comes with beautiful and customizable widget for high performance and outstanding mobile application. What does that mean? Flutter is a framework that includes pre-built widgets, pre-built customizable options, or you can make your own widget with own customization level. So that's why this is very helpful, and you do not need to install third-party libraries in your application, right? And also it fulfills all customization needs, right? And for example, Flutter uses Dart language, right? And as I told you, Flutter, if I have not told you, Flutter developed by Google, and Dart is a language that is used by Flutter, and Dart is also developed by Google. And React Native on other side is created by Facebook, and now you can say Meta. Okay, Meta. Okay, React Native. It is a framework for creating native style applications app for Android, iOS under one common language, JavaScript. So, what does that mean? React Native uses JavaScript language, and it is a framework that allows you to create native applications with one common language. Similarly, like Flutter. So initially Facebook only developed React Native to support iOS. सबसे पहले first version of this React Native only supports iOS, but now it also supports Android. However, with its recent support of Android operating system, the library can now render mobile UIs for both platforms just like Flutter. It was developed in 2015. So, for example, if I show you, in May 2017, Flutter was released by Google, and this video is being recorded in May, and it will be going live on 11th June on my birthday. So, in May 2017, so it is special session, you can say, as it is on my birthday, and also there is Flutter birthday also. So it is developed in 2015. Month is not confirmed, and that's why I haven't added there. Okay, differences. What are differences between them? So first difference is about performance. Performance is a big difference in the both React Native and Flutter, both three. So what is different? For example, Flutter is accelerated by GPU. Okay, so it is GPU accelerated with using 2.0 graphic engine, and whereas React Native is powered by or accelerated by CPU. So that you can say is a main difference between them in terms of performance. And Flutter is relatively very fast compared to Native. And also Flutter is relatively new, and though it is gained some attention lately, it people have known Flutter. But if we see React Native is most popular among developers, among companies, right? So the companies who use React Native, that's why they do not want to switch, but definitely they will switch after some time, and it is being happened, right? And for example, if I will give you some example of Flutter, in Flutter you can say GPay, the application that was created by Flutter, GPay, and also Dream 11, Alibaba, right? And with React Native, Facebook application, all Meta applications, WhatsApp, uh, Insta, all are created with this. So React Native, kudos. So Flutter, so adoption rate among developers is relatively low, and it is also a benefit and also a loss, because of this the jobs are relatively low comparative to React Native. In Flutter, their jobs are low because it is not that much popular like React Native, but now it's popular. But do not anyone do not want to switch, because if anyone has learned something and they do not want to change until and unless the big opportunity rises, right? And the session, I think this is sure, yeah, after this session there is one more session on capitalizing opportunities as they arise. It's very cool session, and it is also in that you can understand what is the potential of Flutter. Basically it is on not on Flutter, but with that you can say that yeah, Flutter is future. Okay, Flutter is relatively new, and so also React Native is most popular among so first of all, if I talk about, if you know Java, C++, C, hash, sharp, right? So for if the Dart is also based on OOPS, object oriented language. So that's why what you have if you have learned any of these languages, then you should go with Flutter. Java, if you have learned, then you should go with Flutter. And if you have learned React, JavaScript, right? If you know JavaScript, then you should go with React. Okay, it also depends on you. Okay, and the what adoption rate is among developers is slightly lower. As I told you, this is benefit, and benefit also. And I have already told about loss, that jobs are relatively low. So what is benefit? Benefit is that if a React Native developer is earning 5 lakh per annum, and the Flutter developer can earn up to 8 lakh per annum as fresher. I'm talking as fresher, you can say, or 1 to 2 years experience. Okay, so you can expect that there are higher salaries in Flutter. So this is the advantage. Similarities between these two frameworks. So hot reload, right? State management, tree representation. So first of all, what is hot reload? Okay, okay, it's working. And once, okay, so hot reload. Hot reload is a feature that allows a developer, if they are coding, if they are writing something, and if they are making changes, then it should be uh, printed or output as fast as possible, like live. For example, if I have changed the color of icon or button, that it will be shown on my virtual machine, or you can say virtual device, immediately. So this is home reload. State management. Okay, so state management is a also a concept of programming on the rules. So So you can also know that. So state management manages all the things over there. Okay, the happening, and tree representation. So tree representation is a feature that allows feature, not a feature, it's just syntax. Okay. For example, if I've created a widget in Flutter, then I have stateless widget under that button, under that icon, and under that properties of this thing. So this is the tree representation, as it created a tree Flutter widgets, stateless, and then text. Okay. So conclusion, which is better in terms of performance? Flutter wins. In terms of salary, Flutter wins. But I would like to give this point to both, because in React Native you would also get jobs rate higher. So if you're looking for job, then you should go with React Native. And if you have experience with JavaScript, then you should go with React Native. And if you have experience with Java, C, C++, C Sharp, go with that. So, yeah, that is the today's session, and I hope your all doubts are clear. And you can ask more doubts in comment section, as comment section is on. So I would create a different video on Q&A also, if you have some doubts. So yeah, hello. So bye everyone. Thank you for watching.